welcome to my channel. Yes, it is a nice day outside, so I decided to share with you guys my influencer box. I wasn't even expecting this. The reason why I get so many influencer boxes is because you guys subscribe to my channel, and the more people that are on your social media, the more time you get boxes. But influencer I've had for I think 3 years now. I signed up a little after Ben was born because I was so obsessed with getting mail. And I have no idea what this theme is. I have no idea what this box is, so I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. But if you guys are interested in joining Influencer, click the link below. I always have it in all my videos, and you guys can join. And then they randomly send you stuff. Now, not everybody gets the same stuff. It just all depends on how you guys answer your questions. My son is with me, showing everybody his car. But I'm excited to see what we got. We're going to see what we got?
Okay, let's see what we got.
Ooh! Oh, this is so cool! Oh my god, this is a dog. This is for a dog. Okay, hold on, you guys. So this is Cherish VoxBox. Ben, just hold on for a second.
Oh, show people.
Okay, show everybody the people. So Ben, bring it over here. Ben.
Oh, show Daddy.
Okay, so this is the Cherish VoxBox. It looks like in here we got some good coupons. This is what I'm actually really liking. It's a Mott's Sensible Apple Raspberry Juice. It's a small bottle, and then inside they gave me a $2 off coupon. So that is a great deal. So Ben and I were going to try this juice later today, aren't we?
Yes.
You want to try this juice?
Yeah.
So we got a nice little juice. This is, I think, is super cute. Now it's a dog toy. We don't own a dog, but I think this is super cute. It doesn't smell or anything. But this would be a good toy to play with Ben, because like we could play grocery store and we could pretend that we're serving a pie, you know. So Graham's right next to me too. So I think this is super cute. So basically, this toy, it values between Benjamin. This toy values between $10 to $18. I would not spend that month, but you guys can start getting a VoxBox toy for starting at $21 a month. So you get some toys in it. So I think that's kind of cute. I wish they had something like that for cats. The juice, you can get, well, obviously they sell it at Target. But they want this as a 6-pack for $3.49 for the juice. And I like apple juice. I'm not sure about raspberry, but I'm going to try this. I ended up getting the Pantene Pro V in the shower foam conditioner. This is I got bees around me too, you guys. Daily moisture renewal, and this is a conditioner. This thing runs for $6.99. So you just put it in your shower. Wash with your hair with Pantene shampoo. Shake well, and then put a palm size in your thing. Let it absorb and rinse off. So it's just like a regular conditioner. It's just a foam. So that's kind of cool. Husband's gonna like this. We got Dove Men Care Dry Spray Deodorant. I've gotten this in the past with couponing. So this is $5.99 for this, and I think that's a pretty good price. And then the last item I get every single time I get a box, I always get these Vera Wang samples. I don't like perfumes. I don't like the Vera Wang samples, but they're always giving me these. I get these all the time. But they say like a regular one of these costs $29.99. So I wouldn't get these. I don't even know what this smells like. It's a little too strong for me. I'm very sensitive to smells. And then I ended up getting just a little VoxBox item. It says get a 6 or 12-month plan, and we'll add an extra month subscription, so you guys can redeem at bartbox.com. So that's kind of cool. So that was as everything is in my box. Like I said, I was not expecting this, but you get full-size items absolutely free. We got some free juice, and then I got this, and I absolutely love this. Even though I don't have a dog, I absolutely love this. It doesn't say the price on it, but it does have like the VoxBox tag on there, and it squeaks. So if it did squeak. So if you guys really enjoy me doing these kind of influencer boxes, please like the button below. You guys can subscribe to my channel. I show you guys freebies that you guys can sign up for too. Everybody gets different items. If you guys ever gotten this kind of box, please let me know. I think this is super cute. I want to see if anybody else got anything like this. But yeah, just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all another time. Bye-bye.